What's up, everybody? So today we back in the garage from Japan. I mean, it's been a while, but I've been doing a lot of work for my business side. Just in case you guys forgot, I've been running a business. I have my own business. Being out for 2 weeks is not easy. I got a lot of work. I've been cleaning, been working a lot of late night and stuff like that. But anyways, today we back in the garage. We can do finally car stuff. So we left out here, we did basically building a SR20 over there, not today. But so next event we got is coming up, the team event, right? So, I wanna try to get this thing repainted again where it's pretty nice and stuff like that. So, and also we still gotta fix the engine a little bit. Hopefully something minor because I'm not looking to do a big job. But so on the street series, we literally put this bumper on the ground and then like dragged it all the way, but it's literally no damage. But anyway, well, actually, if you look at it here, it's all destroyed. But we just gotta figure that out and mount it back up and then repaint it finally. Some freshy body kits. I do have a drift line kit. I don't think I want to use it for that one. I'll give it some thought while at it, but yeah, today we're gonna fix some body kits and then do some car stuff. I think we came to realization now that I personally got a lot of stuff done this year, right? We are on dry, we just passed dry force, all that stuff, and so almost end of the year again, right? Before you know it. And like in this garage we got AC light lamp hooking up, we got TV mounted, toolbox in, and a lot of stuff is getting done, but also running a business every week, every day, and it's hard. And if I look at my car collection wise, stuff is getting done, but it's not happening fast enough. So I decided to hire a guy from one of the custom mine that I go to. Maybe we can make some deals together and then get things going. So like we get a lot of things need to be painted. The S15 need to be painted, and as I drive, every time I brake, you need to paint again, right? After before, like I drove it last year, and it just sat there, and then I want to paint it, but just don't have time. So I'm gonna bring a guy and see, maybe this side job we need to be done. Like we're gonna paint this whole car. We gotta finish that S15. Like so much to do. So I'm just gonna get a guy, and then hopefully he do this for living. So hopefully we can make this thing faster. Since I don't have time, I'm too busy, unfortunately. So we're gonna introduce him in any second. All right, we got the man right here.
How's it going, guys? Susie baby over here. Got the pleasure to work with my boy R34 Hero.
Yes,
We're
sir.
gonna do some amazing work.
Yeah.
It's gonna be incredible, and we're gonna have fun.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Alright, we started to sand, so no going back now. So we're gonna sand a little more, and we're gonna fill the bondo, make it smooth. All this area, we're gonna fill it up with bondo, and look, it's coming out really like natural now. So we're gonna fill it with bondo. We're gonna primer it, even this one too. We do the same thing, just like the front bumper. So So I never thought to do something like this, but we basically cut metal, So he work at the body shop, so you got a lot of junk fender and stuff like that. So just cut it and made a bracket, in the back, so it's more reinforcement. Yeah. Hey, that's pretty cool idea. I never thought of it, but that's why those professional, that guy that does it every day, is built different, So we'll get back to it tomorrow and hopefully we get the primer tomorrow. So yeah. Alright, safely primered. It was downpoured like 5 minutes after, but we got it done. Or he got it done. So now we're gonna wait and then sand this thing tomorrow after it dry, and then hopefully paint it. Monday we mount tires and ready to go for the team event. So pretty hype. So but we got a lot more work to do. So yep. So see you tomorrow. Alright, we just scuffed the bumper, primer the bumper a little quick. And tomorrow I'm gonna get ready, like literally after work, come home and then spray. So I'll get all the paint like ready to go. So I only have like 2 hours to paint this thing. So yeah, I'm gonna clean it up, all that. So finally can match the paint. So yeah, let's get it. Alright, so today is Wednesday night. Well, it's like Wednesday evening right now. We are driving on Friday morning, so I have one more day to put. So I just finished painting this. Sorry I couldn't record it because I had to focus and get it done before it get dark. And so it's done. And so tomorrow, it's still wet right now. So tomorrow I'm gonna put this on the car. And all the tools everywhere because we fixed the e-brake other day, and hopefully it's still good. So yeah, so the painting wise is done. So most likely we're gonna do a little more prep on this car for tomorrow, and then time to hit the truck. Should record it before, but so I mount the bumper. Look pretty good. It's all dusty now because I decided to cut inside the fender a little bit because it was rubbing before it exploded the fender out. So I did that, so it's dusty. The rear bumper, we're doing it right now. It's been really long time. Oh my god, it's been really long time. So 2 years ago now, it's crazy. I painted the car, and first day when we go drifting, when I load the car into the trailer, I hit my winch and it got split over here. Oh no, not split. It was like a big crack. So I just zip tied it for a little bit there and there, right? And then one of the event I missed, like I hit and completely lost light here. But it's same bumper still. That's that. And then we got rear bumper over here. Now we're gonna put the what do you call it? So this side was completely smashed. I'll probably put the video of me what happened with the rear bumper on the last event. This thing was whole caved in, but it's in one piece now. A lot of work, not gonna lie, a lot of work to it, but it's now in one piece. It's better than ever. So gotta put the what is it? Whatever the light that is on there, and then yeah, mount it back on. Man, it looks good on the back. So like especially this side, like you guys would never know what we had to do to make this side okay. But yeah, it's awesome. So I know the rear bumper look like, if you really look into it, I have a little stuff. This like long time ago, it's minor stuff. It hit me here. Who cares? It's a little gap. It's a drift car. So I can't make that perfect. You need to be pulled out more, but it's good enough for me. So time to drive this thing. So I don't know if I said this while on this video or not. So this engine, it's all fully built, and then what I ended up doing on the engine is I deleted the BCT gear thing, like all these sensors and then that. So it quiets now. So I'm gonna start it up, make sure no fuel leak, no oil leak, nothing, and I think it's ready to hit the load. So pretty excited. Alright, rear bumper is on. Oh my god, I can't even tell that it was a crack before. Awesome. Let's go. In the front, can't even tell anymore. Just needed some wash, but damn, it looked pretty good, huh? Good thing it used to be cracked everywhere, and I'm like, whatever. But nice to be back for one event without no damage. I mean, there's more damage to this car. Like now I cracked the side skirts a little. But That's minor, I'm not gonna even bother. And then the over fender a little bit over there, but still can live without repainting it again. That's a lot of effort, you know. But yeah, so engine runs good so far, and I have small leak. I'm not. Well, next time if I ever want to drive, I gotta take a lot of stuff to fix the leak. So yeah, not this time, but gotta mount some more tires and then ready to hit the road for the event. So I hope you guys enjoy our video. If you've seen the video I posted, this thing really, especially the rear, it literally destroyed the whole side of it, like what's gone. But be able to get this guy work for me, and you know, so like I've been really, so you know, when you open up a business, or if you ever open up a business, when your first few years or even after, it's so busy because you know, doing 9 to 5, you're doing more than that, and then on top of that, trying to keep up with my car stuff, which I want to, is almost impossible to do right now. It's just so much work to do. So I decided to get a body guy and hopefully some kind of mechanic soon, so that I can work on like engine stuff. You know, I really simply don't have time to do this. So then, like we talked about earlier, before sedan, S15 for the customer, and then the S13 bird gotta paint, and my RX-7 gotta be painted. So like whole lot of work just sitting there, and then you know, it's almost August, so this change was needed, and I think I met the right guy, and hopefully I find one more help soon, and then we got a lot of things to get done here. So thank you for coming in today's video. If you guys enjoy, subscribe, like, comment, and then I will see more car content soon.